I'm walking around kasi pupunta akong Chinatown to get my hair. Okay, so this is so funny. Nandito na ako ngayon sa Manhattan Bridge. If you can see the bridge right there. And I was supposed to stop at Madison Street sa Chinatown. So, magpapagupit ako but na nagbasan yung stop ko. Tapos, nag-announce pala na parang, okay, this is the last stop. Ganyan. Tapos, hindi ko siya narinig. So, I was like, oh, magpas na ako. And then, ayun, sabi ko, tinanong ko yung driver na parang, saan ako pwedeng bumaba kasi parang lumagpas na ako. Tapos sabi niya na, nag-announce daw siya kanina, ganito. Wala akong narinig. Kasi ang lakas pala ng sounds sa ears ko. So, now I'm walking papunta sa Chinatown because, this is so fucked up. Tsaka ang bobo ko kasi ang lakas ng music sa ears ko. So, lesson learned. Huwag masyadong malakas ang patugtog sa earphones because malalagpas ka. Lalo kapag hindi mo alam yung place. Anyway, so done na ako magpagupit and gusto nyo ba ng reveal? I feel like isa akong manok na inalisan ng madaming balahibo. I'm literally kalbo. Like, this is so funny kasi yung pinakita ko very iba. So I'm here sa bungad ng Manhattan Beach. If you can see, ayan yung bungad ng Manhattan Beach. Wala lang, as a vlogger. Ayun ngayon, sa talagang mang nagsasarapan, charot. Food vlogger pala sa TikTok. Okay, so I got my order. I ordered dumplings. Yeah. Just kakainin ko sa bahay. But I don't know if it will still be good kasi I'm 20 minutes away. Okay, so kabababa ko lang and you can see right there the Empire State. Okay, so I just arrived home and time for a reveal. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Like, who the fuck is that? Like, I'm literally a newborn baby. Okay, so let's try it. These are the dumplings. It comes with a soy sauce. I don't know if this is soy sauce and a chili sauce. Just a normal thing for dumplings. And hold on, let me just open this. Okay, so let's try one more. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. This is so nice. I like it. It's nice. For $5, you get what you deserve. Like, $5 is kind of cheap here, but you get a nice food. My rating here would be 8.5 out of 10. I'm just kind of looking for some, more savory, I guess. But I don't know, because, like, this is kind of bland for me, which is not my, thing. I kind of like the savory and spicy more.